When most people picture an aquarium, they imagine a shimmering underwater world filled with fish, stones, and perhaps a few swaying aquatic plants. But what if your tank could also host the same lush greenery you might find on a sunny windowsill? What if the plants you care for inside your home could live alongside your fish, filtering the water and adding a whole new level of beauty? This is not just a dream. It's a creative way to merge the worlds of indoor gardening and aquascaping. Some common houseplants are surprisingly well suited for aquarium life, especially when their roots are submerged and their leaves are allowed to breathe above the water. Part 1. Why houseplants can adapt to aquariums. Many popular houseplants are native to tropical regions where they grow near rivers, streams, or swamps. These plants have evolved to survive in environments where their roots are constantly wet, sometimes even submerged during rainy seasons. In the controlled environment of an aquarium, this adaptation becomes an advantage. Their root systems absorb excess nutrients from the water, nitrates, ammonia, and phosphates, which keeps the environment healthier for fish and helps prevent algae overgrowth. Part 2. Popular houseplants for aquariums. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. One of the most popular and resilient choices, pothos is a natural water purifier. Its long trailing vines can grow outside the aquarium while the roots remain submerged. Pothos is fast-growing, making it excellent for nutrient absorption. Just remember, keep its leaves above water to avoid rot, as this plant is not fully aquatic. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Famous for its elegant white blooms, the peace lily thrives in water as long as its crown stays above the surface. When used in aquariums, it's often placed in a filter box or grown hydroponically with roots dangling in the water. Aside from its beauty, it excels at removing toxins from the tank. Lucky bamboo, Dracæna sanderiana. Often sold as a good luck charm, lucky bamboo is a tough and adaptable plant. It does best with the bottom of its stalks submerged and leaves in the open air. In aquariums, it provides a tall, structured look that contrasts nicely with shorter aquatic plants. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Although it's not a true aquatic plant, spider plants can survive with their roots submerged for extended periods. They send out thin white roots that fish may dart through for shelter. Over time, spider plants produce offshoots, small spiderets, that can be propagated in other tanks. Philodendron, heartleaf types. Heartleaf philodendrons adapt well to water culture, growing vigorous roots in a matter of weeks. Their glossy, heart-shaped leaves add a tropical touch. Like pothos, the foliage must remain above water, but the root system will help keep the water clean. Monstera adansoni, Swiss cheese vine. While not traditionally used in aquariums, this plant can root in water and thrive with part of its vine trailing out. Its unique perforated leaves add a dramatic, jungle-like feel to your setup. Part 3. Benefits of growing houseplants in aquariums. The advantages go far beyond aesthetics. Natural filtration. Roots absorb excess nutrients that would otherwise fuel algae blooms. Oxygenation. Plants help maintain better oxygen balance in the water. Reduced water changes. With fewer toxins building up, maintenance becomes easier. Stress reduction for fish. Roots create sheltered areas, reducing stress and aggression. Dual-purpose decor. One plant can enhance both your aquarium and your living space. Part 4. How to successfully grow. Houseplants in an aquarium. Keep the leaves dry. Most houseplants used in aquariums are not fully aquatic. Immerse the roots only. Anchor the plant. Use a holder, lid slot, or suction cups to secure the plant in place. Rinse thoroughly. Remove all soil from roots before introducing the plant to prevent water contamination. Light requirements. Ensure adequate lighting for the plant species. Many benefit from the same LED lighting used for aquariums. Monitor growth. Fast growers like pothos may need regular trimming to avoid overgrowth. Check fish compatibility. Some fish may nibble on roots. Goldfish, for example, are notorious for this. By adding houseplants to your aquarium, you're creating more than a decorative display. You're building a miniature ecosystem where land and water meet in perfect balance. The movement of the fish, the gentle sway of the roots, and the rich green of the foliage combine into a scene that is alive, dynamic, and soothing. It's proof that nature's boundaries are often more flexible than we think, and that with a little creativity, your home can host an underwater garden unlike any other.